India's long coastline isn't just beautiful, it's a powerful tool against climate change. The mangroves and seagrass along our shores are incredible carbon capture machines. They are 3 to 4 times better at storing carbon than regular forests, and once captured, that carbon stays locked away for hundreds of years. Imagine this, just 1 hectare of mangroves can remove over 1,000 tons of carbon dioxide in 20 years. By restoring these crucial ecosystems, we can fight climate change in a truly powerful way. But there's a big problem. It's hard to track and prove how much carbon is actually captured. Current projects face high costs, the data is often unreliable, and there's a serious lack of transparency. Industries want to buy credits, and local communities want to sell them, but the connection between them is broken. That's why we built Bluecoin. It's a blockchain-based platform that brings trust back into the system. Here's how it works. Satellites, drones, and sensors continuously monitor the restoration projects. All of this data is securely recorded on a blockchain, so no one can change or fake it. Then, using smart contracts, every verified ton of carbon becomes a Bluecoin, a digital carbon credit that is easy to trust, trade, and track worldwide. This creates a win-win-win for everyone involved. Local communities and NGOs earn Bluecoins for planting and protecting these trees. Industries buy these tokens to balance their carbon emissions. It's a simple cycle. People are paid fairly for their work, companies get verified credits they can trust, and nature gets restored. Bluecoin is different because it's efficient and it's fair. Automated monitoring cuts project costs by up to 60%, and by removing middlemen, more money goes directly to the people doing the work. This also creates new jobs, from plantation work to drone monitoring. And since Bluecoin follows Indian and global standards, it can be used not just in India, but in other coastal countries too. In short, Bluecoin is about more than just carbon credits, it's about trust. With Bluecoin, we can restore our coasts, empower local communities, and change how the world values nature's most powerful climate solution.